Hello, my friends on the internet. It's day 344. That's how long I've been making an app to literally get you off of your phone. Or really just to get you off of social media, because that's our big problem here. That's what we're trying to get away from. But today I'm going to focus on how we're going to do that and how it's been going in the last almost a year now. I made a video yesterday and the day before that, so if you've watched those, there's probably nothing new here. And you can go and just do the thing you need to do. Go get moving, get to work. It's okay. You don't have to watch this video. If you're new here, though, the app I'm making is a bit different than what most people think when I tell them I'm trying to destroy TikTok or help people scroll less on their phones. Because all of the solutions that exist so far are actually not helpful. Okay, they can be helpful, but I don't think they really get down to the root cause. Time limits, blocking, deleting apps, setting your phone to grayscale. These things can help, but they don't solve the problem that we have as human beings addicted to our phones and scrolling on social media endlessly. Sorry. They don't have these problems solved because the problem isn't that we go on our phones all the time or we scroll on social media. And it's not our fault. These things are made to do that. They're made to keep us on it. But the reason why we stay on the apps is because we usually have nothing better to do, or we don't have a better escape. Say you're tired after work and you want to scroll on your phone because, hey, it's relaxing. Your brain doesn't think so. I'm sorry. Your brain is overwhelmed with information constantly. It needs some time to relax and process all of the information that has came in the day. And scrolling on your phone does not let it do that. But it feels good. So that's why we do it. It gives us emotions. It triggers emotions inside of us. It makes us laugh. And we do it because it's easy. And we have to exert zero effort to gain these nice feeling short-term things. The problem still is that we have nothing better to do than this to gain these feelings and pleasures, and there's nothing really easier than this, or so it seems. That's why I made this app, because I think there's a lot of things that we can get obsessed about as human beings more than scrolling on our phone on social media. That after work, even though you're tired, you actually really look forward to breeding your plants or doing some calisthenics or crocheting. These things, these hobbies, these interests, person to person vary a lot. Like, you are not going to be interested in the same things I am. You're not going to get home from work like I would maybe and go make videos or go code. Like, you're not going to do that. Not everyone's going to do the same things. And that's what makes the world an amazing place. That's what makes it awesome. Here's the kicker on how this can help you. You have something that you are interested in so much that you would rather do it than scroll on your phone after work, after a long day, after something hard. You have something that does do that for you. And sure, maybe sometimes throw on Netflix. Watch something like deep, watch a bit of media, consume some media. Sure, that's fine. But there's usually nothing meaningful in 5 to 10-second clips on the internet. And you don't remember even the ones that are longer. You do remember Netflix shows, actually. You do remember long form media. You do remember the music and how it made you feel from Minecraft. There is things you remember and there is things you can treasure, but there's also things that you're probably missing out on if you're scrolling on your phone every time you need a mental break or a rest point. There's something out there that you could be doing that actually is probably really fun to you, that you like just as much, and it fulfills you and it inspires you and it gets you creative. There's something like that for pretty much everyone, I think. And the way to find it is by exploring and trying. Now, how do you do that? That's why I made this app. Sorry, this took 4 minutes to get here. Basically, you can try stuff by scrolling a list on this app. You don't have to use the app. This concept applies. Find something you're curious about. There's a lot of things out there. Something you really grabs you. And you're going to then save it to your list or, look further into it and get a plan to actually do it. So say we're really interested with, how animals don't always have homes, they need rescuing, and we want to get a part of that. We are passionate about that. We can then swipe right on this app or just go and research on our own to actually do it. To actually do it, yes. And what this means is that we can actually look here and do these things and follow the steps. And because we are interested in this topic, we're going to be excited about this. That's the whole point. If we're not excited after step 2, but we were initially, maybe this isn't for us. Maybe we should try something else. Maybe we should complete the plan to make sure first. It's up to you how you want to judge that. But the whole point here is trying and failing, maybe. You could call it failing. I wouldn't call it failing. Some people would. And trying something else if that isn't your thing. Until you find the thing that you cannot wait to do, that you are looking forward to, more than scrolling on your phone. Sorry. I've been sick in like a year, so it feels weird. But anyways, thing is, after you check off all these steps, and also, very key point I didn't mention, all of these steps have curated content for you to help you do them, to help you walk through and understand what you're looking at. And that is very vital, I think. I added that in recently. That took a long time, but I think it could help you get started. And that's all I want to do. I want to help people get started. And then after that, you can kind of take the reins on your own or try new things. But the whole point here is to find the things that really interest you, that are better for you, that feel better than scrolling on your phone. Okay. After you complete the plan, you then quench it. And that means you will be completed for the plan. That's pretty much it for now. Over the last week, I have been amazed at how many people have downloaded this app. 2,000, 1,000, 1,500. Every day, people are downloading it. Mostly because, though, I made content that people saw and it got a few million views, which is pretty crazy. But that's really it for today. I'm going to stop talking now because my throat is dying. I'm going to make some more content. I'm going to work and code. And I love you guys. Okay. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.